Welcome to Stories with Osakan. Get ready to embark on a journey through captivating narratives and unforgettable adventures. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Faraway forest as the sun rises. In this tale, you will witness extraordinary adventures in the animal world. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Once upon a time, in the Faraway forest, there was a place where various animals lived. In the depths of the forest, a mysterious comet appeared. According to legends, this comet appeared once every 100 years and granted one wish. The animals gathered to seize this rare opportunity. However, they struggled to decide what wish to make. Some desire more food, others have larger homes, and some long for eternal happiness. Days pass as each animal strives for their wish. Eventually, one night, all the animals come together to discuss their wishes. They decide to work together to make their forest greener, their water clearer, and their air cleaner. They choose a wish that will maintain the balance of nature, securing their own lives and those of future generations. The animals overcome challenges by working together and make their forest a more beautiful place. They plant trees together, clean the rivers, and protect and preserve their forest. Through this process, they realize that true happiness comes from working together and showing respect for nature. Eventually, the comet disappears, and the animals embrace each other, sharing the lessons they've learned from this experience. They understand that real happiness is achieved through cooperation and respect for nature. This magical adventure in the faraway forest showcases the animals' dedication to each other and their love for nature. It reminds us of the great things we can achieve when we work together. Remember, if we stand united, we can overcome any challenge. Thank you for watching Stories with Osakan. See you in the next story. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Goodbye.